it's gonna be a good day. Hey, what's up guys, it's KingXF, and today we're gonna be upgrading my PC. Alright, so this is the Intel 660p series 1TB NVMe SSD. It has a sequential read and write speed of up to 1800 megabytes per second. NVMe stands for Non-Volatile Memory Express, so it's going to be a lot faster than the standard SATA 3 SSDs. Next up is the AverMedia GC573 Live Gamer 4K capture card. Basically what a capture card does is that it maintains high frames while you're gaming when you're streaming or recording gameplay simultaneously. And now here we have the graphics card. This is the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 2060 Gaming OC Pro. We're going to be swapping this out with my EVGA GeForce GTX 960 SSC. So it's going to boost my performance by a lot. But anyway, now I'm going to move my PC from my desk to this table so I can start working on it. Alright, so the inside of my system looks like this. I know that my cable management really isn't all the best, but here's the graphics card. We're going to be swapping it out with my RTX 2060. And if you'll let me focus here, this spot right here is going to be where I'm putting my NVMe SSD. And this PCIe slot here is where I'm going to be installing my capture card. And now let's get building. And like that, we finished upgrading my PC. Now let's plug in everything and I'll see you there. Alright, so we got everything plugged in. Let's hit that power button. Yup. Everything's turning on. Let's go. Oh, there's BIOS. Well, once you get everything ready, I'll cut back. Alright, now that everything is set up and ready to go, I'd like to make one more announcement before I end the video. Our official channel Discord server is available for everyone to join. So if you're interested, go ahead and click the link down in the description below. If you're looking at buying anything I use for my PC upgrade, I'll have the links to them as well. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And click that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my future videos. I'm KingXF, and I'll see y'all next time.